Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Riri, and I love The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. I am obsessed with that show, y'all, and I'm so sad because I literally have 3 episodes left of the last season, and I'm gonna cry when it's over. But anyways, let me know if you guys have seen it, and let's talk deets. I don't like to do spoilers, but I love that show so much. Moving along, I'm very tired. I'm so sorry the skincare video has not gone up, but it's gonna be a long one, so yeah, a girl can only do so much. I have a lot of prep still left to do. So it's going to be a short and sweet one today. I have some Happy Mail here and my Walmart beauty box for fall, I guess. You never really know with Walmart beauty box. You just don't, because it's always very, very late. So it's either fall or winter beauty box. But the beautiful thing about this one is it is a quarterly subscription service and you pay $5. Just $5. And only $5. They also have a men's grooming box that you can get through Walmart.com. And I definitely always feel like, especially if you're someone that's kind of just starting out, you're on a very tight budget. Maybe you have a teenager kind of getting their feet wet into makeup, beauty, things like that. I think it's a super affordable option. I've gotten full-size deodorants before. I've gotten lipsticks before. I have gotten coupons for hair color for $8 and stuff like that. So definitely worth your $5. So we're gonna hop on into this first. And I normally open these up a little bit before I start. So, is everybody ready for Christmas? Are you scrounging around still? Saying that because although I've been done with all my shopping and wrapping, I now have a million things to do and cook and bake, which I love, but I'm also still under the weather. And I don't know. I have zero energy right now, y'all. Oh, it is the fall box, y'all. It's the fall box. This is called Fall Faves. And there's always a thing on the back, too, to win a $100 gift card, which I think is pretty cool. And it just comes just easy peasy. And that's so cool that a couple of things I just mentioned we have again. First up, I see a Bic Soleil Sensitive 3-blade Comfort Shield Razor. So that is really cool. I actually still have my one from summer back here that I still have not tried yet. I use a men's Gillette Mach 3 razor and I have for 20 years, so it's kind of hard to give up that, I guess. Next up is a Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Strip for scrubbing, an innovative new strip that transforms with water into a scrub. Very cool. Next up, what I was just talking about, there's a full-size NYX Lingerie Professional Lipstick, and it is in the Silk, is that the color? Silk Indulgent? I'm going to assume the color is Lip Indulgent. I don't know, or something. But it's a beautiful, creamy nude. I feel like this is a little bit lighter than I typically like to go for my nudes. I don't like the weird concealer lip moment, so I'm probably either going to pass this along or put it in my little client kit, because can't be having no little concealer lips. Okay. But I'm going to show y'all, they're talking about that they have the perfect nudes for everybody. It says find your perfect nude. Lip lingerie doesn't have to be uncomfortable. Slip into the Lip Fan Fave Lip Lingerie for a matte nude finish in 20 creamy shades for every single skin tone. So that is amazing. And then I have almost dropped it, a Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh in Cucumber, a 48-hour antiperspirant. That is what that looks like. And then last but not least in here is also, I'm guessing, a new product. And I find that that's a lot of times what it is items that are kind of new coming out. It is a Jergens Body Butter Collection Lavender with Calming Lavender Essential Oil. Oh my gosh, you guys know I love lavender. So that is what that looks like. Can you focus on my boo? Thank you, honey. I'm really excited to try that. Yes. And this is the little card. So they just came out with a calming one, which is the lavender, a softening one, which is rose, and an energizing, which is sweet citrus. Are they watching me? Am I being pranked? It's a bit. That's literally all 3 of my favorite scents in the entire world. Gonna have to check these out. Anyways, short and sweet on that one. $5. Definitely think it's worth it. So we're gonna put her to the side. And then I'm gonna hop into my little Happy Mail. So I have a couple cards here, and then my little package, which I already know what this is because she told me. So first up, I have a card from my beautiful friend Mary Ann, who is also the creator of Rebel Rouge Labs. So thank you in advance, Mary Ann. That is amazing. Peace and joy, Jeremy, Mary Ann, and Remington Ace. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh. Thank you so much. That's also going to go behind me. That is best picture ever. Just saying. Next, I have something from Christine. That is FabFit Mama here on YouTube, and I will link her down below. Thank you, Christine, also in advance. I feel like I should open this stuff before I come on. Oh, kindness is rare and beautiful. Oh, there's a little goodie in here. Thank you for yours, Christine, FabFit Mama. Oh, so I'm not going to read everything because I like to keep little personal stuff like that to myself, but she also sent your girl a $10 gift card for Starbucks. And y'all know I'm cheap, so I never go to Starbucks. So now I'm going to go to Starbucks. So thank you so much. And then next up is my little happy mail from Lorena Platas. Again, she is one of my subscribers here who is absolutely supportive of everybody. She is in everybody's comments, y'all. So if she ever starts a damn YouTube channel, y'all better jump on that and join her because I see her in everybody's comments. But she's fantastic. She's super, super sweet. And she's the one that when I was really bummed that I didn't get the Storybooks Cosmetics thing, she was like, girl, if I get the green one, I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to send it to you, but I didn't know she was sending other stuff. My God. Okay, first, I'm going to read a card. Oh, my God. Thank you so much. Sorry, guys. Oh, this is so sweet. Season's greetings. May the warmth and beauty of the season remain in your heart and home throughout the new year. Love, Lorena. Thank you so much. And, of course, there's the palette. Oh, my God. I'm dying. So it is the Storybook Cosmetics. It's the Robin Hood one. And you guys have heard me talk about Storybook Cosmetics before. I love their aesthetic. I think it's absolutely stunning. I know a lot of people complain that it's kind of bigger and it's more bulky. And they don't like, it's prettier in person. And they don't like kind of like the vintage distressing and all that kind of stuff. Like that's the reason why I like them, because there's nothing else really on the market like this. And I just display all of them. I love her formula as well. So, oh my God, thank you guys so much. I mean, that is stunning. That is absolutely beautiful. I'm living in like green palette paradise right now. And I have no idea what this is, but thank you. Oh my God. Oh, honey, it's the Ofra highlighter. It's the Ofra and Madison Miller highlighter in Sea Shimmer. I also wanted this. I ended up getting like the blush from, I think it was like Ipsy we got these in. Oh, it's so pretty. And Ofra is one of my, it probably is my absolute favorite. I know I'm going to keep this, so I will swatch it. Whew. Yeah, I mean, they have my favorite formula, hands down. They are absolutely stunning. If this thing would ever focus for me, it literally never does focus for me when I want it to. Sorry, guys. Oh, let's, you know, my makeup's 85 hours old, but why not? Their formula is so beautiful and like so glass-like. I freaking love it. And it's really long-lasting on the skin as well. I mean, I know I talk about that a lot, but you guys, I am not someone that wants to spend money on product for it to be off my face in 2.4 seconds. Okay. And then I also see this ColourPop Coco Loco Lippy bundle, which I am dying. Oh, I wanted this and it sold out and I was so pissed because y'all know I preach, scrubbing your lips and using a balm or a treatment. So it is the Coco Loco. It has the lip scrub and the lip balm from ColourPop. I am absolutely freaking over the moon. I have to smell this because y'all know coconut is another one of my favorites. Oh, it smells like a freaking Mounds. Is it Mounds? Yeah, Mounds? I don't eat candy bars, so I don't really know, but I think it's called Mounds. Oh, my damn. Lorena, girlfriend. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Yes, this is amazing. I was not expecting this and I really wanted this. Like I said, it's sold out. So thank you guys so much. I know it's short and sweet. And my voice seems to be getting worse, which is fantastic. My family's gonna love me on Christmas Day. So anyways, thank you beauties so much. And I will be commenting if you guys happen to see this prior to 9 p.m. tonight. Don't forget, there's a little mystery giveaway in the previous video. So you might have time to enter that. And yeah, congratulations to the winner in advance of that. Thank you guys so much. You guys make me feel incredible, even on days like today where I'm forcing myself to keep going because I'm exhausted and not feeling well. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Y'all make a girl feel amazing and feel loved. And please know that it is mutual. I love you guys so much. If you have not subscribed already, I would love to have you be part of my beauty family. And I appreciate you guys. Be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.